Restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually see the restricted mode on YouTube or enable and disable it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable or maybe just disable the restricted mode on YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the YouTube application here. And once you launch the YouTube app, what you want to do is just simply tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from bottom right, you want to tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side and just go to this option at the top known as General. When you go to General, if you scroll down here, you'll find an option known as restricted mode, so you can turn on the toggle or turn it off usually like over here. So you can say this helps to hide potentially mature videos and so on. Whether you want to turn it on or turn it off, you can go ahead and do that. This way you can figure out the restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.